Hi everyone, welcome to Connector Technologies. Today I am going to explain one of the important concept and important entry question. So I got this question recently in Deloitte, so that's why I am doing this video. So what is the use of review and submit accounting configuration in Oracle Fusion General Ledger? So this, as per my knowledge, most of the people aware and few people they may not aware. So what does it will do? It will do the two things. Most of the people aware. So if you go to the General Ledger, here we have a review and submit accounting program. So the moment we click on and we submit this, it will do the two activities in our application. So if you go to the manage primary ledger, let's query your primary ledger. So this is my primary ledger. So what it will do, the moment I created my primary ledger, it will create, um, yeah. So it will create balance cube the very first. Then after that, it will change our primary ledger status from in process to confirmed status automatically. Okay, so whenever we submit here, we can see the confirm status green tick mark. So that you most of the people aware as per my knowledge. Okay, but apart from that, few people they may aware, they may not aware. So I'll give the few inside points about this program. What does it will do, and what is the use of this particular what I can say. Yeah. So this balance cube where we will be attached, what is the importance of this? And by assigning this ledger status, where it will be impact by showing this confirm status and I'll show you that. Okay. So now give me a minute. So just click on done. So the moment we click on this review and submit accounting program, as we discussed, it will create the balance cube for the primary ledger and it will change the ledger status in process to confirm status. And apart from that, if you go to the manage data access data, yeah. So whenever we create this particular review and submit accounting program, it will create our ledger name. Based on that ledger name system, by default, it will create the data access set with full ledger access. Okay, if your ledger is in progress status, system it won't create this data access and it won't visible while you are performing the manage data access for users. There you will use the general ledger access like general accountant and accounting manager. So there you cannot able to see this respect to ledger name if it is in process or if your ledger is not showing as a confirmed status. So if you go here, manage data access. Okay, if you click on this, you can select connect the user. So here we have a general ledger. So usually GL roles we will get. Okay, so I didn't assign here. Okay, so roles we have. Okay, so only these roles we have. So in this case, so let's take employee. So here we will get the data access. So within data access, we will get that our ledger name. If your ledger is not confirmed, it is not showing as a green tick mark. Okay, it won't show here. That is the reason why we will run the review and submit accounting program to change our ledger status to confirm so that it will create the data access it and that data access it we are selecting here. So people, most of the people they might thinking it is our ledger name. No, it's our data access set name. So what are the data access which I showed you, right? That name it is. What are the ledger name which we created? With that name system, it will get a data access with full ledger access automatically when you run that program. That is one thing. Then apart from that, we have few more what I can say, few more points. Let me explain one by one. So if you see here one by one, so by running this program, system will validate all the basic configuration, whether the primary ledger related basic configuration valid or not. It will check all the configuration whether we did correctly or not, and your accounting calendar period name format is valid or not. So what are the format which we selected, calendar is active or not, it will verify, and your primary ledger currency is active or not, it will verify, and your legal entity related setups are active or not, it will verify, and your CO level configuration properly we have configured or not, it will verify. And mainly once we have submit this program job system, it will automatically change your primary ledger status in process to confirmed. It's a green tick mark, it will come, that we discussed just now. Okay, the next one, another important point would be it will generate the balance cube at primary ledger level. Okay, so these balance cubes, okay, balance cubes we will go and map it to our FRS report and smart view report level. So whenever we are creating the FRS high level report, what it will happen, that are the balance cube which was generated, right? That we will map it to FRS level to get that balances into the FRS studio. Okay, let me show you that. I will not show you where we can connect this, but most of the people may aware, may not aware about the balance cube. This is the one. This is the balance cube. This balance cube we will copy and we will link to our respective FRS studio level. So from there, what are the balance cube level balances we have, that we can retrieve into the reporting level. So that is the next point. Let's see here. Okay, that is very important. Most of the people may aware, may not aware, but that is good important point. So next, if you book the any journal entry or else any transactions in the application, it will go and store in the balance cube only. Okay, most of the people, they may think once we create the journal entry, it will go store in the database tables. No. So once we book the any transaction, it will go store in the tables. Yes, from there it will go to the our balance cube. There we have SBS cubes and the, then accordingly, okay, that data we will retrieve into the report. Okay, so whenever we run any particular report from the application or else FRS level, smart view level, the data it will pull out from that balance cube only. So what are the data it will store? For the subledger we have separate balance cube, GL level balances cube we have separate, transaction balance cubes like that will be there. Based on that system, it will pull that respective data into the our report level. Okay, so this is the use of review and submit accounting program. So these are very important point. I hope you guys understand very clearly. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching. So please subscribe to Connector Technologies for more and more quality education. Please support us. Thank you guys, have a good day.